Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Jeep Wrangler Sport vs Willys, which is better. Follow along as we examine performance, off-road features, comfort, and cost to help you choose. I'll break down real driving impressions, modifications, and ownership factors in simple terms. Stick with me and you'll get clear pros and cons so you can decide which model suits your needs and adventures without confusion. Let's dive in and keep it practical. Break study. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more study tips. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. Socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for long study sessions and comfy walks between review blocks. Check the description for the link and other deals and save it for later. Thanks for watching today. Now let's get back to the video. Use full-length practice exams under timed conditions to build stamina and test strategy. Score each exam, identify weak areas, and design focused minicycles to correct misconceptions. Create two-sided flashcards for reagents, mechanisms, and spectral patterns, and review them with spaced repetition software daily. Join a small study group to explain problems aloud and gain new perspectives. Treat mistakes as data, adjust tactics, and keep momentum with consistent short wins weekly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.